In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a payee in the Barclays Mobile Banking app. If you've paid someone once and don't plan to pay them again, or you just want to tidy up your list, removing a payee is quick and helps keep your banking organized. Start by opening the Barclays app and logging into your account. Make sure you've got a stable internet connection and the latest version of the app installed for the smoothest experience. Use your usual login method, whether that's your passcode, fingerprint, or face recognition, and wait for the home screen to load fully before moving on. From the main screen, tap Pay and Transfer. This is where Barclays groups all payment-related actions. It takes you into the area where you can manage payments, transfers, and save details, including your existing payees. Next, select Pay. This section is focused on sending money to others rather than moving money between your own accounts. Choosing Pay ensures you see your saved payees and related options. Now choose the account where the payee was set up. If you have multiple Barclays accounts in your app, such as a current account and a savings account, take a moment to pick the one you typically used with that payee. This helps the app display the most relevant payee list linked to that account. From the list of saved payees, find and select the payee you want to delete. You can scroll through the list or use the search feature if it's available. Before you proceed, double-check the payee's name and the last few digits of their account number to make sure you're removing the correct person or business, especially if you have similar names saved. Once you've opened the payee's details, look for the option to delete or remove payee. The exact wording may vary slightly, and it may appear under an edit button or a three-dot menu depending on your app version. Tap delete or remove, then confirm your choice when prompted. You may be asked to verify with your passcode or biometrics, which is a normal security step to prevent accidental changes. And that's it. The payee has been successfully removed from your Barclays account. Keep in mind, deleting a payee simply removes their details from your saved list. It won't affect any past payments, and if you have any scheduled or repeating payments set up separately, you'll need to manage those in their respective sections. If you ever need to pay this person again, you can re-add them as a new payee later. If you don't see the delete option, try updating the app or contacting Barclays support for guidance.